let's experiment with egg crates. Yes, so that is an egg crate, and mostly after using your eggs, when you buy it comes with this, and after using your eggs, what next do you do with it? Do you throw it away, burn it, or tell me what do you do with it? But today we are going to experiment using it to grow mushroom to see if it works or not. So join me. We will start by breaking the crate into pieces, right? So you can just use your hands and break it into pieces, just like that. So mushrooms are fungi that grows on the organic matter. So in the comment section, tell me, do you think the mushroom will grow on this egg crate, and is the egg crate considered as organic matter, or are oyster mushrooms tough to grow on any waste? And also in the comment section, tell me what you think the egg crates are made of. So kindly drop your comments and let's see how it goes. But stay tuned and watch till the end. Enjoy. Pieces the egg crate for our mushroom experiment. So the next step is to wash our pond egg shells. Sorry, egg crates. But do you think we should also experiment with growing mushroom with eggshells? Drop it in the comment section if you want me to do a research on that, growing mushroom with eggshells or fortifying mushroom substrate with eggshells. Drop it in the comment section if you want me to do a research on that. So you wash it to remove possible debris, stones or sand from it. It's a bit hard. We're going to leave it to soak in the water for about 30 minutes, and then you come back. Oh, is it too much? Looking at it, I was thinking of soaking for 30 minutes, but it's like it has started even dissolving, so there's no need to soak, right? Next is the sterilization. So we are going to do direct boiling method. We are going to add water, put it on fire, and allow it to cook for about 30 minutes to kill possible pathogens and bacterials. Or should we use the autoclave to sterilize it 120 degrees for 15 minutes to kill all bacteria? So if you don't have the autoclave, you can literally do this. That's why I'm using the pot method, so that you can equally practice it at home or also experiment to see what happens. So this is how it looks like. We're going to add water and then boil it. So I have to change my mind to use the autoclave or just boil hot water and pour into it, because just the washing, it has started dissolving. So if I'm going to put on fire and do direct boiling, by the time we are done, everything will turn into porridge. How are we going to inoculate? So I'm using the autoclave to sterilize it. So the autoclave is like a steam boiler. It doesn't allow the water to touch the substrate, and here our substrate is the egg carton. That is the egg paper crate, right? So we are going to use the steam. We are not going to allow the water to touch the paper. So let's go do the steaming method. We have finally sterilized it using the autoclave, and you can see it's still in touch, but we still have water coming out. So you have to get rid of all this water and then allow it to cool, and we will inoculate. So let's dry it. We'll allow it for about an hour to 2 to cool down, and then we will inoculate it. So it has cooled down, less moisture, and we are going to inoculate. So this is our spawn bottle, and we have our disinfectant alcohol inside. It's to disinfect our hands, and we are going to inoculate in this bowl. And we have our cotton. So you first of all soak the cotton with the disinfectant, which is alcohol. We clean the bowl with it everywhere, very clean. But before I washed this bowl, so you wash it with soap and water, and then you wipe it, you allow it to dry, and you wipe it with alcohol, and then we go in with our substrate. So this is how, which is the egg paper crate or the egg paper carton that we are using. We have a rod that we are going to use to break down the spawn. So you wipe it with the alcohol, then take off the cotton from the mouth of the spawn. Then we break down a little of the spawn we are going to use, and then we inoculate. So putting the spawn on the sterilized substrate, and here the paper egg crate is our substrate. It's called spawning. So you add some, it gets full. So this is the final look, and this is where we are incubating our experiment.